Good afternoon, everybody. Today is October 24th, and we are back at it with some updates inside the Systems Accelerator Manager. I know we just posted one, but this week has been a big week for us, and I want to share with you guys. So very first and foremost, we talked about the dashboards last time, and there's a lot of power inside of the dashboards feature, but we're not going to focus on that for now. We're actually going to go to the left-hand sidebar and click on this little rocket ship icon for our recent updates. Now, what you're going to find here is the video playlist series that this video is housed on, as well as a little bullet point list of all of the updates. So the first updates we covered were from October 18th, and let's go ahead and let's look at some of the different things that we've edited or updated inside the Systems Accelerator Manager for you guys, the users, to help you guys just be a little bit more effective inside the system. So on the 20th, I modified the edit dialog to be larger for mobile devices. So you might have realized that when you were in a generation, if you click the edit button, the little dialogue button was almost unusable. And unfortunately, I didn't realize that until we'd already pushed it. And so I had to go back in there. I had to resize things a little bit for the editor to work for you guys. But now that it's been resized, it seems to be working much better. I've had a lot of users message me or like reach out to me directly, and they were like, man, thank you, this was a little bit of a pain in the butt. So we did modify that. Now yesterday we did throw a multi-tiered update, and so I want to cover those today more specifically. So the very first one is October 23rd. That was yesterday. We added a analyze content to the member voice. So very similar to in the dashboards, how you can have the content creation challenge with Sam. Inside of the profile settings, the little people on the left-hand side, you can go into the team and then a specific team member. And then when you scroll down to their member voice, previously, you were able to select the different attributes that kind of coalesce or sound like them and how they like to write things. Well, now what you can do is click the Analyze Content, and you can paste content directly into Sam that can be analyzed so that Sam has a good writing example of you. Now, I bring this up as well, and I'm going to stop sharing for a second so you can see my screen. So inside of the Sam's mobile app, you can also do the analyze content. Now, the thing that is really cool about the mobile app is you have the ability to use talk to text. And so if you are not sure what you want to do, if you don't yet have a clear writing style, or if you want to customize it to sound like you more effectively and not just sound like your writing style, you can talk to text, have Sam write that content for you, and then you analyze it, and then it will highly tune out that member voice that you have inside of the system. So again, all of these different things are focused on how can we create content inside of the system that sounds like you, that is written to help out the people you want to help. And this is just another way that we can do that. So that's one of the really big things that we have inside of here, analyze content, and that is in the profile settings. Now, the other thing, obviously, we added this little recent updates page that you can click, the little rocket ship, and it'll take you right here. So you can stay tuned to any updates that we have ongoing and in the future. We've got some really big things planned. I have just an entire document that is a laundry list of things that I'm excited to add into the system for you guys. There's some concepts that I'm tooling with that will be available to you guys in a little bit, one of which is reflecting on how we as real estate agents are emailing or text messaging our specific customers and clients. And the nuance behind that, I'll just give you a little teaser for making it this far, is currently when you send an email, it may sound like you, it may be written for them, but it's not written specifically to them, right? And so my challenge at hand right now, I'm trying to figure out how can I make content that's not just custom to you, not just sounds like you, not just written for them, but also takes that next step to help you build that world-class client experience, and it's actually written for them. So it takes the idea of a custom piece and it just supercharges it. But I'm really excited. That one I don't have a date on when that'll be live or available, but that is something that I'm thinking through right now. Just a little teaser. But these are the major updates that we have inside the Systems Accelerator Manager for October the 24th, 2023. Thank you for tuning in to this video. Feel free and scroll down on the playlist if you want to see some other updates that we've had in the past, or if you want to look through the bullet list. And then stay tuned. Pop by this playlist every now and again to see how you, as a Systems Accelerator Manager user, can supercharge your SAM experience. But other than that, I hope you're having a really great day, and I will talk to you very soon.